Transition effects blend the contents between two sequence clips over time, to smooth out an edit or add visual interest. Transition effects use the unused parts at the start or end of a clip, called handles, to overlap the content for the duration of the effect. If more than one clip is selected in the timeline, or if you lasso multiple edits while holding down Command, Mac OS, or Control, Windows, you can apply the default transition to every selected edit. Choose a transition effect. Browse for transition effects in the Effects panel. Use the search box in the Effects panel. Apply a transition effect. You can apply a transition effect to the beginning of a clip, to the end of a clip, or between two clips. Drag a transition effect onto the end of a clip in a sequence or between two clips. Right-click to apply the default transition. Right-click the end of a clip in a sequence or a selected edit, and choose Apply Default Transitions. Use a keyboard shortcut. If more than one clip or edit is selected, you can use a keyboard shortcut to apply the default transition effect. Press Shift+D, Mac OS, or Shift+D, Windows, to apply the default video transitions. This shortcut automatically adds video or audio transitions. Set the default transition effect. In the Effects panel, right-click a transition effect and choose Set Selected as Default Transition. Remove a transition effect. Select an effect in a sequence, and press Delete, Mac OS, or Backspace, Windows. If a transition is too distracting, try using a cross dissolve or stick with a regular cut.